Hi everybody, welcome back to Let's Do Something Natureful with Trevor. Just kidding, I've never done this before. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tincture out of goldenrod for fall allergies. Let's go. This looks like a good expositing. As you can see, we got goldenrod right here. We're going to pick it right here. Okay, we're back in the house. I got my goldenrod, I've got my 100 proof vodka, and I got my jar. Don't forget the sharp knife. Now we're going to be separating the bad from the good. Watch me chop it up and stick it in the jar. I realize how many bugs are in this stuff. There's a lot of bugs. Now that it's all chopped up, you stick it in the jar, a clean jar. Make sure you wash your hands. Don't want any germs. Now we got it in the jar. Now we gotta add the vodka to it. Got 100 proof. Here we go. You want to pour it just past the top there. Whoa. Now don't forget some parchment paper. Take that parchment paper out. Put it in the jar, man. On this jar, you want to make sure you put a date and what it is so you don't forget what it is when you find it in your cupboard 6 weeks later. Alright everybody, now that it's done, you want to put it in a dark place, 70 degrees. Give it a shake once a day if you can remember. But 6 weeks, don't open it for 6 weeks. Strain it out, put it in your little tincture bottles, and take it for fall allergies. If you want more details on what it actually does, Google it. And that concludes Let's Do Something Natureful with Trevor. See you next time, if I ever do this again.